That's a lifer for me. Two lifers.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up wherever you're going.
So, it is our last day here in Norway. We have a bit of a sunrise over the forest, and it is -4 degrees, which is why there's a chance I could get an icicle on my beard and moustache. All of the fog and the cloud is lifted, and obviously that just allows the sun to burst through, but the sun is directly ahead of us. So not only is it shining beautifully across the trees, but it's giving some really nice backlight to the birds we're watching here. So we're seeing, oh my word, look at that. Flew on that. I've just had a bullfinch land on a branch that my camera's focused on, and thankfully it's still there. Look, there it goes. Crested tit on the log. Yes. No way. That's a first for me. Is that lifer? Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. It's gone all the way over there. Crested tits are absolutely beautiful little birds. I've only ever seen them in Spain, in the Pyrenees. They're smaller than I thought. I thought they was going to be bigger than that, but they're tiny. Yeah, they're tiny little birds. Hang on. That's a willow tit. That's a willow tit now. Got a willow tit. I've never seen a willow tit. They look so much like marsh tits. Oh, that's a lifer for me. Two lifers. Crested tit, willow tit. Don't know what that says about us, but... And I love how the nuthatch looks different here.
Yeah, what? It's more pale, isn't it?
Is that what it is? Because I struggle with the colours. And it's great because it keeps flying to that trunk. And so you get a really good view of a nuthatch coming down a tree trunk. Because of course they are the only bird that can climb head first down a tree. There it goes, let's see. Head first. Brambling now, brambling. It's poking its head over the top of the log. This just gets better and better. Oh, doing a sandwich.
Oh, I'd love a sandwich.
Oh, I love a sandwich. Friend, the Great Spotted Woodpecker, has returned. Not literally my one, because that would be a long way for it to go, wouldn't it? So yeah, it's not Mr. Tappy or Mrs. Tappy or any of the taplets, but the Great Spotted Woodpecker has been coming to a certain trunk, well actually flying between different trunks, but coming to this one really nicely to sort of like just hanging out in the sun. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. I'm just walking alongside a frozen lake now. Through fairly deep snow as well. Oh, yeah. I just wanted to see, without falling into a frozen lake, of course, how close I could get to the view. Oh man. Okay, I'm pretty close. And it's an incredible view. Oh wow. This is a view. I love Norway. This country is slowly taking my breath away. It's absolutely phenomenal. I could stand here all day. I need some gloves though. What a place to come and listen to bird sounds. That's the drumming of a great spotted woodpecker, and he's not calling, he's not communicating drumming, he's tapping for food, you can hear him. Oh, there's a nuthatch calling from over here. That droplet sound, droop, droop, droop. Oh, I love that sound. A great tit in this direction. Ah, oh, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. And everything else is silent. It's just birdsong. Oh, that's bullfinch. That was coming from over here. Can you hear the unmistakable sound of a bullfinch? There it is again. That's the call. That's the call of a bullfinch. And that's the song of a bullfinch. What a place to listen to birdsong. There's a pair of bullfinches now. A male and a female. Oh, they've gone the other side of the branch. They've gone the other side of the branch. Oh, come this way, bullfinches. Come this way. Yes. We're nearly out of time here in the forest tide. I don't want to go. I don't want to say goodbye to the bullfinches for a start. I mean, I'm looking at them right now in the sunlight, jumping about. So I don't want to say goodbye to the bullfinches. I don't want to say goodbye to any of the birds. I certainly don't want to say goodbye to Norway. But I will be back for sure, for absolute sure. I mean, I just didn't know how amazing. I mean, I knew it was going to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be this good. I also don't want to say goodbye to this guy, because if it wasn't for Mike and his knowledge of the area and where to go, not just in Norway or Europe, but the world actually, I wouldn't have seen all these wonders. So thanks to Mike.
Mate, it's been an absolute pleasure, honestly. we've got on like a house on fire. We've had such a laugh as well.
We have.
So it's been brilliant.
We have had a laugh. So make sure to check out Mike's... Oh, I thought it was a crested tit then. Make sure to check out Mike's YouTube channel as well. Was it Mike Phelps Photography?
Mike Phelps Wildlife Photography.
Mike Phelps Wildlife Photography. And of course Apex Adventures, which is your chance to come out here and do all of the things I'm doing right now. So check all that out. And I'll come back to say goodbye, but watch some more of the birds with me, will you? What's been your favourite bit?
It's got to be that golden eagle.
Good, wasn't it?
It's like the anticipation through waiting all day, you know, hours and hours and hours silently, not moving a thing.
10 hours.
Dreaming of what could happen. Whew. Flew in. Oh, incredible.
And we saw it in a tree. That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. This whole trip has been magical, from spending days in a hide waiting for just one glimpse of a golden eagle, to being surprised by a goshawk, the joy of being so close to bullfinches and other small birds coming in to feed, climbing mountains, exploring frozen lakes, spending time with a friend, and being in nature. So this is the conclusion to my 3 episodes from Norway, and if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, do check them out. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments what's been your favourite bird that I brought you from this trip. See you later. You know the other day, in the hide when I didn't let you have a tang-tastic?
Yeah.
Guess what I've done?
What?
Saved you my last tang-tastic.
Oh, mate, thank
So,
you.
Sort of guy I am. Nice guy.
Cheers, guys.
That is my favourite one though.
Oh, do you want it?
Yeah, I'll have that.
Oh.
Cheers, guys.